Hi everyone, I appreciate you stopping in to see what I am up to. And what I have came in this white envelope, which I just get rid of right away because I love to throw stuff out when I get it like that rather than wait. I have it's a big bag this time, my Bolzano handbag. And this is going to be for February. A few things are late. They just bill late in the month, and then, they ship like third week. As long as you're not billing me in the first, that's fine. I think this one's more mid-month. I know. I'm trying to think what else bills me. Somebody else bills me like mid-month, and then it ships the week right after. But, it usually is towards the end of the month or beginning of next. Fine with that. I'm not being charged on the first and receiving it the next month. So, Bolzano Handbags is a monthly handbag subscription where you receive handbag, accessories, and beauty items. I receive the purse and accessories. It's $33.95 a month. You can get luxe and accessories, which is beauty items, $43.95. And then you can also get a handbag seasonally or at once every quarter. And that's $45.99 for exactly what I get. So rather than getting 12 handbags, which is very overwhelming, can be kind of, and for $30-some, it's really not bad, but it can be very overwhelming. Get one once a season and you pay a little bit more, but then you're only getting 4 handbags a year. So that might be a little bit more attainable for you budget-wise than just having that many handbags. So pretty big dust bag compared to what we received last month. This is a big bag. Once again, disappointment to Bolzano. I say small to medium bags, and then I get this huge bag. I say no messengers. I got a messenger last month. I don't know what they're doing. So that you can just tell by the size of the dust bag how big the handbag is. So we'll just put that down. And this is the handbag. I mean, it's a nice bag. Do I have it on the right side? This is what the handbag looks like. And you can see how big this bag is. So it's like a side profile. You can see the bottom. That usually is an indicator how big it is inside. The back. So it's a nice like handheld. It has the Bolzano little logo on it. And this is black. And the metal is covered with the plastic, not to have it, get scratched. Just trying to show you all the pockets. There is a little pocket there. Snap. Oh, it's just a heavy bag to lift. One in the back, and then it unzips. I've had bags like this. I don't find myself using them too often. They're just too big. And then you can see the size, and like it's a 3 divider, which is phenomenal. Like this would make a great bag if you're traveling, going by train, where you want to slip like a tablet or something like that in. So the back is just like this back, these back ones here are just pockets. And then the center, is stuffed. Let's take all this out. Lots of stuffing. Lots of stuffing. And when there is a strap, so you can, put a shoulder strap on it. Has a back wall zip, and then your two pockets. I mean, this bag is big. Like I said, I am not a big bag person, and my profile says small to medium. So that is confusing to me why they would send me such a huge bag. Oh, in the back is your accessories. I mean, you can see how even big these pockets are. I mean, this is a massive bag. Way too big for me. So that is, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Shop the Mother's Day sale. So they have that. So this, and it does give you a little bit of information about the card. The bag, I'm sorry. So this is Serena. Constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $165. No. I don't think so. So let me see. It comes in poppy. Which is the red. Emerald. Camel, peony, and black. I don't know. I know I'm not too crazy about red bags, but that looks cute in red, as you can see right there. Multiple exterior pockets, yes. Bolzano metal logo, yes. Crossbody strap, yes. I guess you could crossbody that. kind of big for a crossbody. Structured shape, definitely trendy tile design. Is that, oh yeah, I can see the tile design on it. Okay. So there's the card. These, they've been using these little bags. Don't discount them because they make for cute little storage bags. If you are traveling, you can put like mini shampoo, conditioner. There's all kinds of stuff in there. Like they open up pretty big. There's like a string. We'll get rid of that. As you can see. So you could get, you know, shampoo, conditioner, your toothbrush, your toothpaste, things like that that might be damp. Like if you know, want to take your little, you know, your spongy or scrubby for the shower, you know, and on the way home it's wet, you can put it in here by itself, zip it up and not put anything else in there. So that's not bad. So the first thing I see is a pair of earrings as the accessories, and here they are. And they are a post back with a like a little hoop with a pearl drop. They're kind of cute. I like those. Okay. Bonus. Like them. And here we have from Desi. I guess we have 3 shadows. Top one is more like a gray black, a blue, and then like a brownish shade. Let me see how these open. So you can see here's the blue. Let's close that up. And they're glued on there. Yeah, that's like a steel gray. Okay. I mean, I'm not angry at these. I don't usually like singles like this, but these, they're nice because they're not shimmer. And like a neutral brown that you could do all over lid, a crease, and they are just like glued on. So I'm going to leave them on there. But I'm excited for those too. So that's 2 things that I'm excited for. The handbag, just because it's a little too big. This I definitely don't like. I don't like anything silver shimmery. But this is like their little, like a little wallet. The place for a pen. And here you have pockets. The lining is nice. You know, money for money, slots, some cards, ID. So that, you know, I don't like things. I like that style. I just don't like the silver or the shimmery. So then here we have eye readers. And that's what they are. I'm not going to open these because I won't be wearing them, using them. They're just like, that's what they look like. Maybe I will open them. You know, I need glasses. I don't need something like this. I mean, this is a novel idea. I have seen these in the past. Okay, I don't know what that's for. So here they sent like a little 3M double side. I guess you can put that on the back. I guess if you, and these are 1.5. In my dream, I guess you could put it on the back if you wanted to secure it somewhere, like in your car. So that's what it looks like. You would put it on the back. This is 1.5. I think I need would need like a 375, 350 or whatever. There's no way. So that's what these look like right here. Oh God, they're dirty. And this you would just slip over, you know, glasses. You know, like I said, I will not be, I mean, it's a novel idea. If 1.5, like I said, wouldn't let me see anything. I have seen these in the past in the stores and thought they were cool, but not practical for me because I do need to wear glasses. So that's those. Overall, it's better than last month with the messenger, and those accessories were sort of like old school, and the bag, like this, you know, I could use, probably will not. I'll see if somebody is interested in that, or I might just, my bags are leaving next week. I finally rescheduled them for pickup for Purple Heart. I might give that away to them and let somebody enjoy that. If like my sister or my niece, friend, you know, somebody doesn't want it. I'm most excited for these right here this month. But, you know, if the bag was just a little bit smaller, I would have enjoyed it. Because I do like that. More, you know, like, take some of it away. Small, medium. That's what my profile says. I don't understand it. I just don't get it with them. And if you email them, you know, oh, well, we'll make sure it doesn't happen next month. Well, what about this month? If I were to contact them saying, I'm a small, medium bag, it's on my profile, you sent me a large bag, well, you can send it back and pay the shipping both ways. Well, then I'm going to pay an additional $20+ to ship it. So now a bag is costing me over $50. No, I'd rather go to the store and buy my own handbag So no, I'm not going to be doing that. They should be, if it's out, they've promised that if it's out of your profile, that they would pay the shipping for me to return it and then ship me a new bag. Well, this is a large bag. That's not, I'm going to show you my current bag. That is a Bolzano bag, by the way, if I can reach it. Okay. This is a small medium bag. This is a medium bag, and this is a Bolzano. I love it. Mustard color. I use it all the time. So I want to show you the difference. Okay, I'll do it this way. This is the difference. This is a medium size bag, and this is a large bag. Okay, so there's no way, I'm going to put them in front of each other. You can see the difference in the bags. This is my bag. I love this one. This is, like I said, this is a Bolzano. Love, use it all the time. It's like, lately it's like a go-to. So it's like a little, like a black hole, the black interior, so not my favorite, but I still love this bag and use it all the time. So like I said, that is a large bag. You know, I'm not even going to waste my time. I'll just, you know, give it to charity if that be the case. I appreciate all you watching. Tell me what you think of this down in the comments below, especially this bag. It's not just me. I know this is a large bag. I hope everyone's doing well, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.